The words they hum in muted tones, a whisper carved from distant stones. No voices weave a living thread, just echoes of the words once said. The floorboards creak, a mournful sigh, a language shared by wood and sky. The air, a still and a hollow tune, speaks secrets to the pale